Hi everyone. So for today's lesson, we are going to start a values choice board project. So this is like the same exact thing that you did for your theme for your poem. It's just this time you're choosing your 5 values and you are representing that in a project instead of a theme. So again, it's your 5 values. So we have some of the same options: a collage, a thematic playlist, a video, comic strip or web comic strip, memes, and a drawing that you can all upload. If you're unsure of what your values are, you could go back to your writer's notebook and check what you already wrote, what 5 kind of spoke to you, or there's the list here for you to also, reevaluate and look at. And again, you're choosing 5 that you think you have that represent you, and how can you represent those in some sort of visual. So again, a collage or a playlist, whatever option you want to go with there. Um, these are due by Sunday, and we will be presenting them in class on Tuesday when I have you again. So happy creating. Bye, guys.